There were lots of founders who were out there that were really excited about the tech. And they would come to us and say, well, I've got this end effector. End effector is basically the hand of a robot, the gripper. They were able to get like $3 million in revenue, like really fast, which you're like, wow, that's amazing. I get to $3 million in revenue. But there were a lot of companies who had $3 million in revenue, like 10 of them. And they were all about the same. We're all about a 30 to 50% gross margin. They were all growing at 50 to 75% a year. And so our conclusion is pass on that segment of the market. Meanwhile, there were other corners of the market where there were founders who had built purpose-built machines. They weren't selling robots to customers. They were selling end goods that were produced by robots, like welding. One of our companies is autonomous welding. There is a shortage of welders in America. And if you can give a manufacturer access to welding capacity, then they could grow their revenue. In this case, we found two brothers that were out of Case Western University. They had a PhD project in computer vision with machine learning. They were applying this to the welding industry because their father was a welder. And he said, there's a shortage of welders at my manufacturing plant. You should do that. We invested in Path Robotics. So if you are thematic, you have these ideas that are in there. And being thematic and being really picky is super, super important.